Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to use angular dimension in AutoCAD. In the Annotate tab, in the dimension panel, select the option of angular, select the first line, and then select the second line. You will get the angle between the two lines. You can select on the screen where you want to keep the dimension and click on the screen. Here, if you see this, you have got a symbol of inch after the degree. That is because the dimension style that we are using, my dimension style, in this dimension style, we used inches symbol as the suffix. So AutoCAD is using the inch symbol for the angle also. We don't want this inch symbol for the angular dimension. Let's go to the dimension style manager. Click on this new. Call this dimension style as for angular and start with my dimension style. So this is going to adopt all the properties of my dimension style and you can then modify them later. Click OK. And from here we are going to get rid of the suffix. Click OK and close. So if you click on this dimension, you will see here that my dimension style appears. It means that this dimension is following all the properties of my dimension style. If you want to change that, keep this dimension text selected. From the menu here, you can click on angular and this dimension has shifted from my dimension style to for angular dimension style. To activate the angular dimension, you can also use its alias DAN. Press enter. Select the first line and select the second line. And this will give you the angle between the two lines. You can select circle or the arc and this will give you the angle of the sector. So this angle here is basically the angle of this sector. This angle here is 157 that is being represented here in the dimension.